Namaskar friends, welcome to Easy Peasy Hindi. Friends, today we will learn the names of domestic animals, also known as farm animals in Hindi. Now friends, the Hindi word for animals as you know is janvar, janvar. And the Hindi word for domestic or farm animal is paltu, paltu. Now the root word of paltu is palna, that is to raise, like we raise our children. So in Hindi we say हम अपने बच्चों को पालते हैं. We raise our children. Similarly, the animals that we can raise in our homes, in our farms, are domestic animals, also known as पालतू जानवर. So, the Hindi word for domestic animals is पालतू जानवर. Now, let's begin with the Hindi name of animals. Let's begin with the word cow. The Hindi word for cow is गाय, 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 गाय. We say गाय. Ox. Ox is known as B-A-L, बैल in Hindi. B-A-L, बैल. Bull. A bull is known as sand, sand in Hindi. Sa-n-d, sand in Hindi. Buffalo. A buffalo is known as bhains, bhains in Hindi. Camel. Camel is known as oont, oont in Hindi. Now here the pronunciation of N is almost 1/3 of the complete pronunciation of N. So we will not call it oont, oont, no. We will say oont, oont. So the pronunciation of N actually comes through our nasal passage. Oont, oont. Okay. Then comes sheep. Sheep is known as bhed, bhed in Hindi. Cat. Cat is known as billi, billi. So here the pronunciation of one l is half and the other l is complete. So billi, billi. Dog is known as kutta, kutta. Now here the pronunciation of T is not T, but the pronunciation of T is similar to that of T in the word pasta, pasta. So, dog is known as kutta, kutta in Hindi. Goat. Goat is known as bakri, bakri, bakri in Hindi. Pig. Pig is known as suar, suar in Hindi. Rabbit. Rabbit is known as khargosh, khargosh in Hindi. Mouse or rat is known as chooha, chooha in Hindi. And hamster, it is known as hamster in Hindi. The difference between a hamster and a mouse is that hamster has two pockets on both sides of its cheek where it can store food. So it has a bigger mouth compared to that of a mouse. Donkey. Donkey is known as gadha, gadha in Hindi. Gadha, gadha. Yak. Yak is known as yak in Hindi. Squirrel. Squirrel is known as gilahari, gilahari. Gilahari, gilahari. Mule. Mule is known as khachar, khachar. So one ch is half and the other ch is complete. So khachar, khachar. Llama. Llama is pronounced as lama in Hindi, lama. And horse. Horse is known as ghoda, ghoda in Hindi. So the pronunciation of D is that of d and not d. So it is not ghoda, it is ghoda, ghoda in Hindi. So friends, I hope you like this video and this video helped you learn the name of so many animals which we can domesticate in Hindi. Thank you so much for your time. I'm truly grateful for that. And I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.